y'all, good morning. Happy Monday. Today's Monday. I'm starting off the weekly vlog here. I'm really gonna try to do my best this week to like record. I've been trying not to start the vlog out looking a mess, but in reality, if I'm gonna take y'all through my week, 99.9% of the time I look a mess. Anyway guys, so like I said, it's Monday, so I just dropped Shav off to school and I'm heading to Starbucks. So I can't decide if I want to go to the drive-thru Starbucks just because it's in the morning time and my bonnet and everything. But you know, I don't care. I'm just running in. I'm gonna run to get my green tea latte and I'm going home. I need to figure out how to make the green tea latte from home because I'm spending too much at Starbucks at this point. At first I was just like, you know, you just had a baby, treat yourself, girl, do your thing. Now it's like, all right, you tripping, you just had a baby, let's save. So yeah, I'm spending too much now, so I think I'm just rock out with it for this week. I have some money on my Starbucks card, so maybe once that run out, I'll give it up. I'll give it up, and maybe it's like a once a week thing. I did went grocery shopping last night. I think I inserted the Walmart clip. My camera don't be wanting me to be great. As soon as I went to Walmart and said, oh, I'm gonna give you a little montage of me grocery shopping, camera died. And I did not bring an extra battery. And yeah, so y'all didn't get that whole thing, but I did go grocery shopping last night. I picked up some stuff that's easy to make because I've not been eating right. I just been eating anything I can grab, and it's been Nutella. It's crazy. I will get a knife and I eat the Nutella just because, like, when sweet time my mom is at work, it's just like I'm on go with baby, so like I need to be able to grab things fast. So I did grab some oatmeal and I grabbed some ready-made waffles and stuff like that. So those things I can really grab to make sure that I'm eating, because I'm honestly not eating and I need to get my body right again because I am gonna start my little health fitness journey again. So yeah, but anyway, what the are y'all doing? Are you kidding me? This nigga almost letting me hit his BMW because he want to get over on the other, and it's this lady. Oh, she just pissed me off. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to Starbucks. The moral of the story is I need to spend less at Starbucks. That's the moral of the story. Cheers, y'all. Have y'all tried this yet? Did I put it on YouTube? I don't know. I put it on my Instagram stories though, and people are trying it. Some people liked it. Some people loved it. Some people was like, it's alright, can't go on. Some people like, I don't like this. So if you are interested, I think I put it in the last vlog. If you're interested, definitely check it out. Definitely check it out, honey, because it's so good. And let me just say this, when you have good customer service, it just makes everything so better. I just had the best barista, that's what you call him, Starbucks person. Like, he was so nice and pleasant and was just like polite, and that put me in an even better spirit. I was never in a bad spirit, but I'm just like, dang. So then I feel like the next person I interact with, I'll be extra nice. So you see, it pays to be nice. You know what's better than that guy's customer service? It's your drink. You can put it down. One thing about me, I'm gonna park in Target's drive-up parking lot because when the others are full, like, I like to go right in front of the door because I'm just running in and out. So I always park in the drive-up spot. They have a bunch, and ain't nobody doing drive-up this early in the morning, so they be all right. But even in the evening, I do it all the time. If there's a regular parking, I'll park there, but if it's not, I'll definitely be parking in a drive-up parking spot. How you know I'm not picking up an order and I just need to run in the store real quick? Exactly. It's so good. I really wonder how. I'm gonna get me some matcha, some oat milk, and some chai. And I'm gonna try to make this myself, because if I master this, Starbucks, who? Starbucks where? why. Hey y'all, what's up? Happy Tuesday. So I just got fresh and everything, real moisturized. I know you can see it. I put this wig on last night to say that I'm practicing, because I've been had this wig for probably, I don't know, I wore it like once and I didn't really like it, and I was like, oh, let me install it. I think Sunday the temperature was really nice, so I just washed all my wigs, and we have like a line in the back of our house, Jamaican style, and I hung all my wigs on the lines, and all you saw was just hair blowing. So I forgot about this, and I was like, oh, so I installed this last night to say that I'm practicing to like do baby hair and install and everything. Y'all, this wig thing is hard. I mean, I do it because of two things. One, it provides me with like filling content for my channel. Well, three things. Provide me with filling content for my channel. I like to look good, so like with that I need to learn how to do my hair, because ain't nobody got time going to the hair salon and paying all this money every single time. So and then the third thing is, if keeping it real, we get paid. Oh, so anyway, it's in the evening time. It's almost 6 o'clock. Baby Kai just went down to sleep. Like, his stomach's been hurting. Y'all know I always hear, oh, baby gripe, baby gripe, baby gripe. Never understood it, so I didn't get to, they couldn't find this in Jamaica. Like, Shop couldn't find it, or my grandma couldn't find it to send it. So I ordered this. Off of Amazon, which is the infant preservative, but it's that small bottle, and that small bottle is $18, y'all. So it's almost done, so I need to put another order in, but that's been helping him and stuff like that. And because he's on formula, his poop, maybe this is TMI, but he, you know, his poop is a little harder and stuff like that, so he has a problem with that. The doctor said to give him prune juice. Today was supposed to be content filming day, and like I said, it's 6 o'clock. I didn't get that done. The video that I wanted to film, I had a bunch of videos to film today. Let me get that out the way. But the one I really wanted to start out with, because for the rest of them that I needed to film, I need my makeup and my hair to be done. So the first one, I was supposed to do that and then go take my Instagram pictures, because I'm coming back to the gram. If you don't follow me, go ahead and follow me now, because I'm coming back. I'm just, the pieces are rolling in, so I'm just trying to like put them together and stuff like that. Honestly, this is what I really enjoy. I don't really go nowhere, but I do enjoy like buying clothes, dressing up, and putting them in my closet. But yeah, I do want to start going out more though. I don't know, it took having a baby to really appreciate going out time and free time and like your time. So I'm like, oh, I want to go out more, so I ordered some pieces. I'm looking at them now. I'm trying to piece outfits together for Instagram, trying to be that girl. We are going to Sephora now. It's a reason why I didn't end up filming today, because I low-key need a bunch of things, because I forgot that I wanted to go to Sephora. I want to try to get some new makeup, but I also want to re-up on stuff that I'm out of. One that's close by me, and that one closes at 6 o'clock. It's 5:55, so I'm not gonna make that. So I'm gonna go to the one in Kohl's. There's one inside of Kohl's. First of all, I thought Kohl's, all the Kohl's, it's too much. All the Kohl's stores were closed. I feel like listening to some gunman tunes. So
now playing Min Shift by Skeng.
Intellectual murder people edition. Campfire full of gun like Remington.
Boy!
Can I come in and do the most fight?
In the middle and then every minute the place get noisy. Me now go unless me gun for me. If my mother and my son call me. That Starbucks being closed. Oh! So I think, I forgot, I wasn't thinking. I think the Starbucks inside of Giant, they close at, the Starbucks inside of Giant, they close at, which Giant is a grocery store. They close at maybe 5 or 6 o'clock. It's 6:12, dang. So, the ones in Target close at 7. The fact that I know Starbucks' hours, depending on where they are, it's a problem. But it's a problem that I'm willing to have, honey. I want Starbucks though. Me and Jada was just talking about, there's one up here. Is there a Starbucks in that Target? Y'all, I'm just mad Starbucks is closed and it's 6:12. If I know where another one is, they close at 7. That's the one inside of Target. But if I go there, I'm going in the opposite direction of where I really need to go. I do want Starbucks. I'm gonna go get it. It's one thing about me lately, if I want something, I'm gonna go get it. Cause what have I been doing lately? Been in the house, not doing anything. And I'm all about, one thing that this motherhood is teaching me is definitely, I feel like when people like, oh, you're becoming a mom, like, you know, your life is over. I don't even know, y'all. I made a different turn. I don't even know where I'm going, but we're gonna figure it out. Your life is over, quote unquote. Not really over, but like, you put so much, becoming a mother, you put so much into your child, and you put so much into like other people, and like sometimes you forget about yourself. And that's what we not finna do over here, okay? So whatever Sade wants, Sade gonna get with limits. Because we're not going crazy, we still got a budget.
Send me off for some crutches in a
Y'all ever had a friend soul y'all out? Like, I don't really like this governor song, because still like this be happening. You be having somebody who you think is your friend, your day one, and they just post some stuff and you're like, golly. I've had that happen to me one time. Jesus himself came down and said, Sade, this person was gonna do that to you. I be like, God, you're sure? Like, Jesus, sure? Yeah, sure. Like, I would have questioned it. That's how much faith I had in this person. And this friend betrayed me, and I was just like, wow. So stuff get real. But then the other day, I keep seeing this thing floating around social media, or it's like, oh, you'll give your boyfriend 45 chances and your friend one. I feel like that's how I am in a relationship. You get one time to cross me, you don't get 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like, I'm sorry. Like, I usually give 3 strikes you're out, but like, no. If some things are just like, if you want to do some, ooh, not a pothole, what me there? A Jamaica, me there dropping a Portland pothole them. Ooh, Starbucks. Yeah, why am I so excited for Starbucks? Please tell me. Please tell me I don't have a problem. I want to guess what I got. Okay, don't bust your brains. It's not surprising. I got my green tea latte. But y'all know I've never tried the Fenty foundations ever, because they never have my shades, and it looks like they have all the shades in. So should I try it? Is it worth it? I don't know. I do want to try it, but I'm not shopping for new makeup right now. I mean new foundation. I do love my foundation, so I don't know. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if it's worth it. I'll come back and get it. I'm here for the primer. I want to try the NARS foundation as well. I keep hearing good things about it. I don't really know. So I'm back from off the road. I'm gonna show you what I got at Sephora. Like I said, this Sephora wasn't like the main one, so like I didn't get to like really explore. They didn't have much. Even their perfume collection, it was just like the samples and the back were empty. Like, they didn't have much at all, so it didn't give me the vibe to like really browse. It was just like a quick 1-2. I got what I wanted, and I picked up one thing that I didn't like intend on getting, but I did see a lip combo that I want to try. I think I saw it on I saw it on YouTube. I tried like one of them YouTube shorts that I wanted to try out. And then I got my friend, her birthday passed, and I was supposed to get her like the Fenty body scrub and the body butter, because I like it. I was telling her about it and I wanted her to try it. So I was supposed to get that for her birthday, but then Kai was born around the same time, so I didn't get to like do all of that. And I went today to get it and they didn't have it. So I just got her a gift card so she can try them out. So this is the gift card that I got. So I got the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I've had this before. I had bought the travel size to just test it out, and I love it, so I went with, I don't even think, is this the biggest one? I don't know if this is the biggest one, but I got this. And I got the travel size mist, the refresher spray. So it's supposed to be like their finisher spray. So I got the travel size to try it out. And then the last thing I got was this lip stain. I got this lip stain because, like I said, I saw a lip combo video that I want to try it out. It looks really cute. I'm all for the nudes and the naturals, so it looked cute. That's all I got. And the gift card, like I said, they didn't really have anything. I did make a stop. I made a stop at Dollar Tree too, just to get 2 things. Well, it's not Dollar Tree no more, it's a $1.25 tree. Okay, so I got these organizational things. I saw them the other day when I was up there, and I got 3 for my makeup table, and I bought 2 more because I feel like I wanted 2 more. My makeup table right here, so I should see if they fit. Should I have gotten another one? So let me show y'all. I'm just now getting my makeup table together, y'all. It's low-key a makeup and jewelry table. I got my shades right here, a palette, and some stuff right there. Do we need another one? Y'all, my mom spilled makeup in my drawer, and I've been trying to get it out ever since, and it's not coming out. So I'll probably just get one long one to come along here and get like some little ones to like fill. This is Sweet's beard oil. For the men that are watching and want to get your beard together, here you go. It felt good to just get out for a little bit, because I just be in the house with Kai, and sometimes I need like a little get out. So that's what I did, and I missed them when I was on the road, so I came back. Anyway, I'm see y'all in the morning. Hey y'all, so today is Thursday. I'm just leaving the dentist. My camera is dying, so I'll check y'all later because it's blinking, and I know it's gonna cut off mid-sentence or something. So hey y'all, so I tried to check in with y'all earlier and my battery was dying. I went to the dentist today because I actually went last week because I had a filling. I had a tooth that was hurting, and apparently the filling fell out, so I had to come back today to get it filled. That's annoying because like my mouth just feels funny right now. But anyway, it is 10:20 p.m. y'all. It's nighttime, and guess what? I am trying to film. I've been trying to film all evening long. Kai would not allow me to film, y'all, like at all. Like every time I did something, I straightened the hair, I set up the lights or something, he wakes up or he's crying or something. So obviously I have to attend to him, so I just put him down. I know for sure I'm not gonna be able to finish filming tonight, but I just need to make an attempt, start something. My mom will be home soon, so hopefully my mom comes, she could take it for a little bit so that I can finish filming. I'm determined to film this hair. I've had it for a minute, and I need to film it to send it out to the company. I need to start, like, I need to come up with like a routine to film these hair videos. I know some people, like, they'll film like multiple hair videos in one day. I don't think I can do that, but maybe I need to come up with a strategy or something. Yeah, I need to get to filming, so I'll check y'all if I get to finish the video. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. I just wanted to check in. Today's Thursday. Did I check in? Oh, I did not check in yesterday. Y'all had like a little montage of me doing my nails, so I did when y'all know I be telling y'all, like, when I'm about to film hair videos, I like to make sure that my hands aren't ashy, because child, I don't like seeing it. I don't like seeing it at all. I got my nails done yesterday in all white. Yeah, I wanted to cut them down a little bit, but next time I'll cut them down. But yeah, so I just got basic white. I was gonna do French again. I was like, oh my god, I had French for like 2-3 weeks. Let me do something else. So I got white. Next time I'm doing back French. I don't know if I'm gonna do French, like, I don't know. I might do, instead of white, I might do a different color. Yeah. But anyway, I'll check y'all when I get this video, because y'all know I'm working on baby time. So I just wanted to check in for today. Not much happened today. I went to the dentist. I went to Starbucks. And yeah, I came home and I've just been cleaning up and stuff like that. But that's all I did. So I'll check y'all later. Hopefully this wig will be on my head and this makeup will be done. But at least the makeup is a stretch, but at least getting the wig on my head, and I could I can do the closeout video tomorrow or something, but I just want to make sure that the wig is on. Can y'all believe that Kai stayed asleep the whole time? Can y'all believe it? I'm so proud of my baby. I'm so proud of him, period. So I didn't do my makeup, obviously, but I'm gonna do that in the morning. I feel like I have another video. I have 2 more videos that I actually want to film. Like, I'm not gonna waste makeup. Like, if I already have my face on, might as well go ahead and film like other content. So I'm not gonna be able to do that tonight, so hopefully tomorrow. So I'm gonna film the finished product of this hair tomorrow. So I'm gonna just sleep with it like this. Hopefully I don't mess it up, because these baby hair y'all gonna see this hair video after this vlog, so watch out for it. But these baby hair, honey, y'all know, if y'all watch my hair videos, y'all know that I struggle with baby hair. Y'all know that I struggle with baby hair, like, it's no secret. But these we stepping up. So y'all, after filming, it's always a mess. Like, usually when I'm filming, I'll use my makeup table back here so I have more space, but today I decided, like, I don't want my room to look a hot bomb diggity mess, so I'm using this little fold-up table. Let me show y'all. So I use this little fold-up table right here with like everything around me. It's not a mess. Ooh, don't look at my extra feet. With everything around me. There I go, right there. But I didn't make that much of a mess. The only thing, I don't want these hairs to get on the only thing is I don't want to get these hairs on the floor. I'm pretty sure there's some on the floor, but I'm not going to mop until tomorrow. So I have this little basket here. I probably need to get a bigger one, because as I'm doing this, I'm buying like more products and stuff to try out. But I use this. I just put everything that I need. Every time I'm filming a video, I just go ahead and grab this from the bathroom closet, so that it's like a one-stop, well, not really a one-stop shop, but most of the things that I use will be in here. Yeah. Y'all, guess what ended up happening? So my mom came in from work, and I ran a little joke, and I was like, huh, do you want to watch Kai while I film? And she's like, sure. And I was like, say less. I did not even hesitate. Like, I asked Shav to take my thumbnail picture. Well, I had to pay Shav to take my thumbnail picture, but I just jumped into it. So I filmed a haul and a hair video. So I filmed 2 videos tonight. I'm so happy. It is after 3 o'clock. I'm gonna regret it in the morning, but at least I'm done. Well, I'm not done. I still have videos to film, but at least I got 2 done. I feel good. But yeah, I'll check y'all in the morning though. I am about to pack these lights and everything up and wipe this makeup off, take me a nice little shower, and go to bed. So I'll check y'all in the morning. Hey guys, happy Friday. It's Friday. So I'm heading to my 6 weeks appointment for just to check up, make sure everything went back where it's supposed to be since having babies. So it's my first time to the doctor since I delivered. I just been bringing the baby to his doctor. I'm running late. My appointment's at 2:15. It's 2:09 right now. I'm always running late, hence why I'm always like vlogging in the car, because I'll be having time to vlog like beforehand, because I'll be running late. So anyway, I am heading in. Hopefully everything is good. I think my car camera thing broke. My tripod broke. Yeah, it's like hanging. Let me hold the camera. But as I'm heading to my appointment, I'm like, if the camera is shaking, my bad. I just wanted to vlog this before I go in. I'm not far from the office, so I should be good. But anyway, I came up with a brilliant plan. I'm gonna prank my mom and my boyfriend that I'm pregnant again. It's funny because the other day my cousin and I, we were talking about, like, sometimes a lot of females, when they go to their 6-week appointment, they go and find out they're pregnant again. So that's what I'm gonna do and get their reaction on camera. I don't really like doing pranks because I don't feel like I'm good at it, but because I'm gonna call them over the phone. I'm not gonna tell them in person. So over the phone, so I can, like, you know, if I'm laughing, they can't tell that I'm laughing and stuff like that. But yeah, so I will definitely check in with y'all afterwards when I'm ready to do my prank. I'm just gonna rush because I got 5 minutes to get there. So I'll check y'all a little bit later.
Hey,
Mommy,
where?
guess what?
Where? Hey there.
Yes,
What happened?
I'm pregnant.
What?